Welcome to ISL Enabled Virtual Lab of CSIR.
Quiz on Vehicle Mounted Drain Cleaning System. Question number 1. The process of turning dirty water into clean water using the drain cleaning system is called option number 1, drain filtration, option number 2, wastewater desensitization process, option number 3, clear water productions, option number 4, wastewater filtration process, which of the following option is correct? Question number 2. The debris that is collected from sewer is called. Select from the following option. 1. Garbage. 2. Dirt. 3. Muck. And 4. Silt. Select your answer. Question number 3. What is the main cause for sewer blockage in our cities? Option number 1. Plastic and throw-away items. 2. Lack of proper hygiene. 3. Lack of awareness. 4. Food. Question number 4. What kind of filter is used to clear drain debris? Option number 1, cloth filter. 2. Automated robot pump filter. Option number 3, plastic filter. And 4, mechanical filter. Question number 5. The reason behind wastewater not being clean for years is. Option number 1, lack of personnel. 2. Lack of proper sensitization boards. 3. Distance between two manholes. And 4. All of the options.